Hello everyone, this is Bilal Khan and you are watching the Safety and Compliance Center. Here we make HSE simple, practical and exciting. Let's work together to grow our safety career. In this video, we will cover the essential responsibilities of a confined space entry supervisor to ensure the safety and compliance at confined space. Let's get into the necessary steps to protect the workers and maintain a safe working environment in this type of high risk operations. Confined space is a space with a limited entry or exit where there is the risk of hazardous condition like presence of toxic gases, presence of the flammable gases or the deficiency of oxygen in the atmosphere. The spaces are not meant for continuous occupation or for the residence of human due to the potential dangers, and the confined space requires a careful management. The role of a confined space entry supervisor is so critical in ensuring the safety of personnel working in the confined space. The supervisor is responsible for overseeing the entry process, ensuring the safety protocol and procedures are implemented and strictly followed by the workers. This whole scenario helps to protect the workers from the risk associated in the confined space work. As the confined space entry supervisor, it is your responsibility to ensure that the entry plan is tailored to the specific confined space and address unique hazards. You must then communicate the plan to all workers involved in the confined space work, detailing the hazards, the precautions, the responsibilities, and the emergency procedures required as per the confined space entry you are going to work. Before the work begins, the confined space entry supervisor must ensure that all type of work permits have been acquired, like the hot work permit, the confined space entry work permit. These are issued and the precautions outlined in the permits have been communicated and implemented. Ensure that all the communications is fluent in the required languages and verify that all the personnel are adequately trained for the task assigned. These steps ensure a safe and organized operations in the confined space. As the confined space entry supervisor, you must ensure that appropriate personal protective equipment is provided to all personnel, and the two-way radio communication, the fire extinguisher, and the self-contained breathing apparatus are provided for the confined space. In the emergency cases, the confined space entry supervisor ensures that the rescue equipment and the rescue team are ready to respond. If the entry is suspended, the confined space entrance should be barricaded with no entry sign. If unsafe condition arises, the confined space entry supervisor must cancel the work permits to ensure that the work have been stopped and to prevent the potential harm to the workers. The confined space entry supervisor ensures the coordination between multiple teams or contractors who are working in or outside or near to the confined space to avoid the confusion and ensure the safety of workers. The confined space entry supervisor must ensure that adequate manpower and equipment for the safe entry and safe operation have been provided and are available as required for the confined space. The confined space entry supervisor also verify that the space is properly isolated, purged, and that the atmosphere is safe for entry. The atmospheric monitoring should be continuous as per the entry plan, and ensure that all gas test logs and are properly completed and maintained to document the safe conditions. Thank you very much for watching this video from the Safety and Compliance Center. If you have any questions, you can drop it in the comment section. This is your channel. Like it, subscribe it for more safety contents. Stay safe, stay blessed, and goodbye.